Namaskar, this is Ashish Ranade. Welcome to the fourth episode of the series Abhangaranga. You all must be wondering, instead of singing like last 3 episodes, I have started with tabla today. The reason behind this is today we are focusing a little on the rhythm side of the Abhanga. The theka which I was playing just now is a bhajni theka, or it is called as bhajni tal. Let's go through the sounds of it, bol of the bhajni theka. Dhinna dhin dhina dhinna tin tina dhinna dhin dhina dhinna tin tina dhin. The theka is very much important, particularly this bhajni theka is very much important for this Abhanga singing, because if we listen to the sounds of this tal, it has a resonance. The rhythm cycle of this tal and the continuity of the sounds create an aura of divine bhakti, or you may feel dancing in the engrossed way, we can say. So this theka holds that feeling of the purity of the God, or the purity of the feelings of the writer, we can say. So let's go with the today's Abhanga. For this episode, I have chosen a very popular, a very famous Abhanga, which is again originally sung by Pandit Bhimsen Joshi, composed by Ram Phatak, and lyrics by Sant Tukaram. ज्ञानियांचा राजा गुरु महाराव. ज्ञानियांचा राजा गुरु महाराव, ज्ञानियांचा राजा गुरु महाराव, ज्ञानियांचा राजा गुरु महाराव, ज्ञानियांचा राजा गुरु महाराव. म्हणती ज्ञानदेव, म्हणती ज्ञानदेव, म्हणती ज्ञानदेव, तुम्हा ऐसे ज्ञानियांचा राजा गुरु महाराव. मज पामरासी काय थोरपण, मज पामरासी काय थोरपण, मज पामरासी काय थोरपण. पायीची वहाण, पायीची वहाण, पायीची वहाण, पायी बरी ज्ञानियांचा राजा गुरु महाराव. ब्रह्मादिक जेथे तुम्हा वळगणे, ब्रह्मादिक जेथे तुम्हा वळगणे, इतर तुळणे काळ पुढे ज्ञानियांचा राजा गुरु महाराव, ज्ञानियांचा राजा गुरु महाराव. तुका म्हणे नेणे, तुका म्हणे नेणे, तुका म्हणे नेणे, युक्तीची खोली म्हणून ठेविली, म्हणून ठेविली, म्हणून ठेविली, म्हणून ठेविली, पायी डोई, पायी डोई, ज्ञानियांचा राजा गुरु महाराज, ज्ञानियांचा राजा, ज्ञानियांचा राजा, ज्ञानियांचा राजा गुरु महाराज. Let's look at the rag base of the Abhanga. A very different, a very weird kind of the family rag Hindol. Basically, to create a rag or to get a family like a rag, we need at least 5 notes, 5 musical notes to get a melody. But this rag is with the 4 notes, that is sa ga ma dha sa, sa da ma ga sa. So this is an exception to the normal families or normal ragas with Odav Jatis and Shadav Jatis and Sapurna Jatis. Although mainly 4 notes are used in Rag Hindol, but to complete a family, as I said, we need 5 notes. So Shuddha Nishad used with a very particular phrases like sa ga ma da sa ni da ma ga sa, sa ga ma da sa da ga ma ga, sa ga ma da ga ma ga sa da sa. This rag comes with a very different mood, something like mysterious mood, something like which cannot be explained, the feeling which cannot be explained. This is the mysterious part of this rag Hindol. The meaning of this name Hindol is a swing. The composition of this rag is like a swing. It swings here and there. Like if we visualize a swing, sa ga ma da sa, sa da ma ga sa. So it goes up and down, up and down. So Hindol means jhula. So it's a swinging composition of this rag. ज्ञानियांचा राजा गुरु महाराज, सा 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 द मग 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 सा, म्हणती ज्ञानदेव सा सा ग ग म ग, तुम्हा ऐसे मद मद सा द गम, ज्ञानियांचा राजा गुरु महाराज. So the first part looks like very much related, very much similar to the Hindol family. Let's go with the first charan. मज पामरासी काय थोरपण, ग ग ग सा ग ग, सा ग मध मग सा, पायीची वहाण ग मध मध ध, पायी बरी निधम मम दसाद गम ज्ञानियांचा राजा गुरु महाराज. So second charan also very much similar to the Hindol family, very much related with the Hindol family. Let's see how the third charan goes with Rag Hindol. ब्रह्मादिक जेथे तुम्हा वळगणे नि 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 दमग सागमदम निध. So as I said in the information of this rag, ni comes in the avaroha mode. A very specific phrases comes with ni in this rag. So this is the part where ni is introduced in the avaroha, in the descending order. ब्रह्मादिक जेथे तुम्हा वळगणे नि 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 दमग सागमदम निध इतर तुळणे. So this gives a surprise to us that Shuddha Ray is introduced, which is not there in Rag Hindol. As I said before, Abhanga Gaiki is a mixture of many melodious notes, melodious families, which suits to the composition. So in the similar thought, this ray is introduced. इतर तुळणे काळ पुढे मध निरे निरे रे ग सा सा सा. So in this phrase Kalyan Anga is introduced. Madha nire ga re sa. This is the Kalyan Anga specifically. इतर तुळणे काळ पुढे ज्ञानियांचा राजा गुरु महाराज. Let's go with the fourth charan. तुका म्हणे नेणे सा सा द मद सा सा. As the fourth charan is तुका म्हणे, as I said, the Abhanga is written by Sant Tukaram. तुका म्हणे नेणे सा सा द मद सा सा युक्तीची खोली साग ग मग सा म्हणून ठेविली सा 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 द द पायी डोई मद ग म पायी डोई मग मग सा. ज्ञानियांचा राजा गुरु महाराज सा 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 ध मग 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 सा.